it's really important, firstly, that partners actually take responsibility for making sure their own cover is correct and the cover for the practice is correct, because it's their income's affected. So the first thing a partner should always be aware of is what's the wording of the partnership agreement? What liabilities do they have? Typically, that would often say that after a certain number of weeks, they're responsible for any additional costs that the practice receive, up to, on average, a year's worth of absence. That can be huge in terms of costs. So getting the cover at the right level is also important. Give you an example: an 8-session partner who underestimates the cost of locum by just £50 a week is suddenly at £20,000 a year short, potentially, in the difference between the costs that they may be responsible under their partnership agreement and the cover they might have arranged through the practice. So in addition, partners are responsible for their liabilities under the partnership agreement, not just once, it's across their entire career at the practice. So they have to consider that actually it's not just thinking what will happen if I go and have a one period of absence. You may get a chronic condition, something that's recurring. Multiple things can cause you to be ill. So making sure that not only you've got the right level of cover, but you've got cover that protects you through your entire career at the practice, and takes into account the fact that your health may change in future and that you need the cover until you either retire or leave. So actually, yeah, so not only just looking at the level of cover, but the longevity of the cover is important.